Happy day, dear students. This is Factorization, chapter number 7, part 2. Factorize the given expression x squared plus 13x plus 40. The given expression is of the form x squared plus px plus q. Find two numbers such that the sum is 13 and the product is 40. Find the factors of 40. 10 fours are 40. If you add 10 and 4, the sum has to be 13. If you add 10 and 4, the sum is 14. So they are not the factors. Now find out the next factor. 8 5s are 40. The product is 40 and the sum 8 plus 5 is 13. So the numbers are 8 and 5. So write the expression x square 13x can be written as 8x plus 5x and plus 40. Take the common term x outside. Now x plus 8 plus 5 as the common term. So 5 into x 5x plus 5 8s are 40. So the next term is 8. Now the two factors of the given expression are x plus 8 and x plus 5. Factorize the given expression q squared minus 10q plus 21. Find two numbers such that the product is 21 and the sum is minus 10. So what are the factors of 21? 7 3s are 21, 3 7s are 21 when and all the same. Now 3, 7. If you add two numbers, the sum has to be 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, but it has to be minus 10 means both the numbers of minus sign. So minus into minus becomes plus, so that the product of minus 7 and minus 3 is plus 21. Now clearly the numbers are minus 7 and minus 3. Rewrite the expression q squared minus 7q minus 3q plus 21. Take the common term q outside, q minus 7 and the common term is minus 3 here, q minus 7. So the two factors of this given expression are q minus 7 and q minus 3. Factorize the given expression p squared plus 6p minus 16. Find two numbers such that the product is minus 16 and the sum is plus 6. What are the factors of 16? Find two numbers. 8 2s are 16. Right? 8 2s are 16. But it has to be minus 16 means any one of the numbers should be minus. Any one of the numbers should be minus. Now 6p plus 6p. That means the greater integer has to be a sign of plus. So sum is 8 2s are 16. If it is plus 8 minus 2, it is 8 minus 2 is plus 6. So 8 minus 2, if you find the product, 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. So clearly the numbers are 8 and minus 2. P squared plus 8p minus 2p minus 16. That is p as the common term, p into p plus 8 minus 2 into p plus 8. So the two factors of the given expression are p plus 8 into p minus 2. Factorize the given expression p squared minus 4p minus 77. Find two numbers that follow the conditions are sum has to be minus 4 and the product has to be minus 77. What are the two numbers? The sum has to be minus and the product has to be minus. That means if you find a number, the product, any one of the number is minus means the product will be minus. If both the numbers are minus means minus into minus becomes plus. So any one of the numbers should be minus. 11, if you take 11 sevens are 77, right? So any one number has to be negative. So we have to decide which number has to be negative. Since the sum is minus 4, the greater integer has to be minus. So minus 11 plus 7 is minus 4. Minus 11 into 7 is minus 77. So rewrite the given expression p square minus 11p plus 7p minus 77. Take the common term p outside. P into p minus 11 plus 7 if you take, we get p minus 11. The two factors are p minus 11 and p plus 7. Factorize the given expression 3x square plus 10x plus 8. Find two numbers such that the product has to be 3 into 8. Why it has to be 3 into 8? It is not of the form of x square plus px plus q. So the number has to be multiplied with 8. 3 into 8. The product has to be 3 into 8. The sum has to be 10. So 3 8s are 24. What are the factors of 24 such that the sum has to be 10? 6 4s are 24. If you add 6 and 4, the sum is 10. So the numbers are 6 and 4. 3x square plus 10x can be written as 6x plus 4x plus 8. If you take the common term as 3x, we get x plus 2. So that 3x square plus 3x into 2 is 6x. If you take common term as 4, we get x plus 2. Such that this term has to be the same as the previous term we have taken here, x plus 2. 4 into x plus 2. We can write it as x plus 2 into 3x plus 4. So what are the factors of the given expression? X plus 2 and 3x plus 4. The given expression is 3z squared minus 10z plus 8. The product of the two numbers given the expression as 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is the product. The sum is minus 10. Find the two factors of the product 24 such that sum has to be minus 10. If you take 8 3s are 24, but the product has to be plus and the sum has to be minus. That means if both the numbers are negative, the product becomes positive. So 6 4s are 24, minus 6 minus 4, the sum is minus 10. Minus 6 minus 4, the product is plus 24. Rewrite the given expression 3z square minus 6z minus 4z plus 8. Take the common term as 3z, we get z minus 2, minus 4 as a common term, we get z minus 2. So the two given factors are 3z minus 4 and z minus 2. Factorize the given expression 2x square plus x minus 45. Find the product, that is 2 into minus 45, that is minus 90, and the sum has to be plus 1. So if a product is minus, any one of the number has to be minus and the sum is to be 1. Find the numbers. Factors of 90 are 10 9s are 90. Right? 10 9s are 90. And if we want plus 1, that means the positive integer has to be plus. So plus 10 minus 9. So the sum is plus 1. And the product is 10 into minus 9 becomes minus 90. Rewrite the given expression 2x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 45. Take the common term as 2x, we get x plus 5, and if you take minus 9 outside, we get x plus 5. The two factors are 2x minus 9 into x plus 5. Factorize the given expression 6x square minus 5x minus 6. What is the product? This 6 into 6, 36. The sign is minus. So minus 36. The sum has to be minus 5. So what are the factors of 36? 4 9s are 36. Right? 8 2s are 36. If you take 8 and 2, 18 and 2, 18 2s are 36. So the difference is only 16, not the 5. If you take 9 and 4, 9 and 4 difference is 5. We want minus 5 means place the negative sign for the greater integer, minus 9 plus 4, that is minus 5. Now clearly the numbers are minus 9 and 4. Rewrite the given expression 6x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 6. Take the common term as 3x. We get 2x minus 3 plus 2 into 2x minus 3. So the factors are 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 2.